Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. Here on the silver chart, we are dealing still with this local uptrend, and we are probably in the late stages of a C wave, I would say. So I'm tracking here currently an A, B, C structure in wave A, after which I would expect a B wave correction and then another rally, which could be a significant one that might move us towards the $40 range, which would be, yeah, like let's say in this process, silver would likely catch up a little bit with gold, because at the moment gold seems to be leading the way. There are some fundamental aspects that are currently driving the gold rally, which I talked about in the latest video on the main channel, MCO Global. If you're interested in checking that out, I made a long-term gold video yesterday. Then feel free to follow. You can do that for free, of course. I'll post the link in the description. It's this gold video here that I published yesterday. I will also publish a video about silver this week. That's at least my plan. So if you're interested in that, and I'm talking about long-term, right? So on this channel, MCO Global, we're bringing our global communities together. And this is also where I mix not only chart analysis, where I don't only take a look at the charts, but also I mix it with some fundamental aspects, try to make sense of why movements are happening, even though that's, from an Elliott wave point of view, not so important. But still, the idea is to give you a bigger picture, overall, more context. Context is everything. So longer time frame analysis, deeper insights, and that you can find that all here. So feel free to check it out. So there will be a long-term analysis for silver as well in the coming days. But until then, you need to deal with the smaller time frame analysis. So what is then, within this context I just shared with you, that we're likely in this ABC structure, possibly in a larger third wave after wave 2 bottomed in December. Question is, has this A wave maybe topped already? It doesn't. It could be. It could be. But the pullback looks extremely corrective and could still count as a wave 4. I think this move up counts best as C wave with one more high to come. Not necessarily high confidence, but as long as the market holds above $31.13, yeah, I'm looking for higher. Even though $31.13 would be quite deep for a fourth wave, but still valid, I would prefer if it's a wave 4 in a still unfolding C wave, I would prefer that the price doesn't even break below $31.40. I would argue that already below $31.40, yeah, it becomes more likely that this is already a B wave that's unfolding. And that would then be the blue count, where we say the A wave already topped. In this case, if the A wave indeed has already formed the top, then this is likely not wave 4, but wave A of B. We get a bounce in B and then move down in C. Make sure that we pick the blue color here. So yeah, the main difference is that after here, this dip is complete, the next rally wouldn't make a higher high as in the white count, but a lower high probably in a B wave. So the structure of that next bounce should tell us if it's the white or the blue count. If it's the white count, we get one more high. I'd like it to reach at least $33. But again, I would see this mainly as one more high. Also on the gold chart, yeah, and I made a short-term update here on this channel yesterday. We are probably getting the late stages of a rally, right? So they could correct together and then rally once more quite substantially afterwards. So there is some correlation, of course. So yeah, essentially, I have no evidence that a more substantial top has formed. I think that's important. I've remained bullish for silver, throughout the last few years, and I still am. And it proved to be right for gold as well. But silver and gold, they're not really moving together right now. Silver seems extremely messy, whereas the pattern on gold is clearer. I've been saying that for months. It is a bit clearer. Also on the micro level, the silver chart is just a big mess. But that could clear itself up. That could all get resolved in this next rally, which could be quite substantial. This could really be an impulse in a C wave of a larger degree, third wave towards the $40 region. So that's something I'm definitely looking forward to. Until then, we are we probably need one more dip in this B wave, okay? Either now or after one more high. I'll keep you updated. For more insights, yeah, just check out the MCO Global channel. The larger time frame scenario should give you some clarity as well from a macro point of view. That's the update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, check out the S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.